Oh,
Perfect.
obviously you heard that.
Yeah, that sounds like the turbo, but I heard that earlier noise you were talking about. And that sounds like something's.
Loose, yeah.
I want to check your filter to see if there's some like leaves or something in here.